Have you ever wondered what became of the golden apples that granted immortality? In ancient mythology, the Hesperides, nymphs of the evening, guarded a magical orchard filled with these precious fruits, gifted by Gaia to Hera. Their realm, a paradise, lay at the edge of the world, where the sunset kissed the horizon. Each apple shone with the light of the setting sun, a symbol of eternal life. But this beauty came with a dark twist. The Hesperides were not just caretakers, they were bound by a curse. They were forever watched by a fierce dragon, Ladon, whose many heads were vigilant against intruders. One fateful day, the legendary hero Heracles embarked on a quest to steal these apples as one of his 12 labors. Clever and relentless, he approached the nymphs, who were initially reluctant to hand over their treasures. A deceitful alliance formed with Atlas, the titan condemned to hold up the sky, led to a treacherous bargain. As Heracles lifted the weight of the heavens, Atlas took the apples, but greed consumed him. The Hesperides' tale is not just about beauty or treasures, it reveals the complexities of desire, duty, and betrayal amidst the timeless dance of light and shadow.